Hello and namaskar to everyone. In this video, we are going to solve a numerical problem from Keynesian Macroeconomics. And the question goes like this. Suppose in an economy, the following data is given, where C, that is consumption function, is equals to 200 plus by minus t, and the tax function is given as t is equals to 500 plus ty. Investment is given as 100, government expenditure 500, export of 100, import function is given as 50 plus 0.1y, and the marginal propensity to consume is equals to 0.7, and income tax rate is T is equals to 0.7. Now find the equilibrium level of income. What will be the effect on equilibrium income when the government expenditure increases by rupees 50 billion and the tax rate decreases by 5%? Okay, now let's solve this question. Solution. First of all, let me write the given functions here. Okay, so let me write the given functions. And the given functions here are, these are the given things. Okay, so given things I have written here. Given is, look at this, consumption function, which is C is equals to 200 plus by minus t. The tax function T is equals to 500 plus ty, and income tax is given as, small t is given as 0.2, so we can write this as 500 plus 0.20 or simply 0.2. Let me write 20 as given in the question. Okay, y. This is the tax function, and then investment is given as 100, export 100, and import is given in the functional form. Government expenditure is 500, and the marginal propensity to consume is 0.7. Right now, so now let me solve the first question, this one. Find the equilibrium level of income. So here you can see that in the first question, for equilibrium, level of income, level of income in the four sector economy, y is equals to c plus I plus g plus export minus import, as export minus import are given in the question. This is four sector economy. Let me slightly move upward. This one is y is equals to c is given as 200 plus b y minus t in the question, plus import is given as 100, and the government expenditure is given as 500, and export is given as 100 minus import is 50 plus 0.1 y is the import function, or this is equals to y is equals to 200 plus 0.7 is the marginal propensity to consume, and here y minus, simply it's 500 minus 0.20 y, right, plus 100 plus 500 plus 100 is 700 minus 50 minus 0.1 y, or y is equals to 200 plus 700 is 900 minus 50 is 850 plus 0.7y minus 350 minus 0.14y, multiplying this one 0.7 and 0.2 is 0.14y. 700 is already calculated, 50 is already calculated, so 0.1y. So this can be written as y minus 0.7y minus 0.14y plus 0.1y is equals to 500. So this is simply, how much is this? This is 0.3y plus 0.24y is equals to 500. Solving this one, 0.54y is equals to 500. Therefore, y is equals to 0. It's 500. 500 divided by 0.54. This is y is equals to, right? So y is equals to 0.500 divided by 0.50, which is equals to rupees 925.93 billion. Okay, billion. So this is the first one. Now moving to the second one. Let me slightly move up. Now by the question. What happens is government expenditure G is equals to 500 plus 50 is equals to 550, and then tax rate which is denoted by small t is equals to 0.2 is initial, and there has been decrease in this one by 0.05%. Okay, so 0.055% is equals to 0.15. Now for the equilibrium, we have y is equals to c plus I plus g plus export minus import. Solving this one, y is equals to 200 plus b y minus t in the given by the question plus I plus g plus export minus import. Let's plug in the value. Y is equals to 200 plus 0.7 y minus, now t is 500. The value of t is 0.15y plus I is equals to 100 and g is equals to 550 plus export is again 100 and minus it's 50 plus 0.1 y. Okay, so these are the values. Now let me solve this one. So solving this one, we'll get how much we'll get. It's y as it is, and 200 plus 100 plus 500 is 950. 950 plus 0.7y minus 350 plus 0.105y minus 50 minus 0.1y, or y is equals to 900 minus 350 is 550 minus, plus 0.7y plus 0.105y minus 0.1y. Solving this one, we will get y minus 0.7y minus 0.105y minus plus 0.1y is equals to 550. Solving this one, 0.505y is equals to 550. Therefore, y is equals to 550 divided by 0.505 is equals to rupees 1089.10 billion. Therefore, this shows that there is positive effect on equilibrium level of income due to the increase in government expenditure and decrease in tax rate.